Okay, we back live. We back live.
Hello. Y'all hear me now?
Let's see if we hear
You hear
videos.
me now? Y'all hear me now?
Yeah, they can hear you now.
Finally.
It was the desktop.
I'm back. I'm
Oh.
back like I never left.
You want to keep streaming?
It's cool. What else? What else they want to hear?
Nah,
Oh,
talk about the leap thing that you was talking about just a second ago.
um, damn, you made me forget my point. What was I saying
You're
to you about
scared
the
now
leap?
because you're on the stream. People
No,
can
I'm
see
trying
you.
to think. Nah,
Look,
what
you're
was I saying to
scared.
you
You're
about?
scared.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I got it now. So before I get into the leaps, what I
Hmm,
do is I go check the analyst ratings for that stock. Like, what's their projection for that stock at the end of the year?
hmm,
So like, there's a low point, a midpoint, and the high point. So I usually get a leap for the like 20, like this 2021, 2020, 2022. I get
hmm.
the high projection. I get the strike price has to be the high projection that they put out for. That's how I choose my leads.
Oh,
Because
okay.
I think they give the analyst ratings is like 15 uh people rating the stock, and they give you the mid level, the highest level, and the lowest level. So that's
You
how I
know what's
choose.
bugging me out though too on the leap, I mean the contracts and everything like that
But
is that the not that even the contracts of stocks is that if you look at all of the analysts projections, I keep going back to Neo because that's my stock, that's my bread and butter, you know what I'm saying. If you look at all of the projections for Neo from JP Morgan, from well, Bank of America, everyone basically, they're saying that the stock is supposed to be like 60 to, excuse me, $70 to $65 to $75 even during this like downturn, and it's not. I can understand the stock being at like 50, 55, right? I can't understand it going all the way down to 35.
let me give you this point. All right, as far as Neo, when Neo started making his buzz, like December or whatever, December, January, don't you think it ran up? I think it ran up too fast.
I don't think so. I
Two
don't think
hundred
so.
percent, almost 200%.
I don't think
You go
so.
from like literally 30 to 60.
You got to look at how many cars they've been selling. They've been selling a ton of, I think in Q4 or January they sold 7,000 cars, and they're leading into the holiday season, the Chinese New Year, in which nobody buys anything. They just goes and see their family members and travel, and they sold that many cars. Come on, it
Listen, I
just doesn't
know
make
I know
sense.
how big a community Neo is, but
Mm,
people are in China are more into sedans. They didn't even have their sedan out yet,
that's
but
true.
people still do buy like they like their vehicles still, but sedans is what's carrying China. So
Yeah, but they sold three times as no, two times as much as last the previous year before the pandemic. Come on, there's no reason for them to be at $35. This is just the fear of the market. Everybody's selling off, trying not to lose money, and it's annoying, but it's part of the market. It's what we signed up for.
I literally been tracking Neo, and I'm tracking how it moves with SPY. SPY is like is basically the S&P 500. It's the 500 most profitable stocks in the market,
Hmm.
and it tells you, basically how the day is gonna go.
Hmm.
So SPY was down a lot, and I seen Neo. That's when I seen Neo drop to at least 31, and I was like, oh,
It just
I
doesn't
never
make
thought I would see that, but I did today.
sense. When do you think they're
And
gonna come back, or when do
they're
you think the
gonna.
stocks are gonna come back? I said month and a half.
You mean come back to what point? Like 60? You talking about?
Like where the market was stabilized, and all
I'm
the
gonna
stocks
I'm
that we
gonna
were
I'm gonna
investing in
say
get back to normal.
I'm gonna say the end of April, May, beginning of May.
Hmm. My contracts are going.
It needs to. It's gonna take some time to get back to full potential where it was at before.
Hmm.
And plus, this stimulus needs to be passed. The Senate is giving us issues. But once that's passed, I think people are gonna, flood into the market once the big institutions get back in, like you said, at
I
the
think
bottom.
the stimulus passing is going to be a contributing factor. It's going to pass, right? But I don't know about people getting back into the market because if I'm fear about getting back in the market, imagine a regular person on our Discord. Johnson's back. What's up, man? Showing the love. Thank you.
What's up? What's up, Johnson?
Even on our Discord, we got mad people like bugging out saying what's going on. Oh my God, should I sell? And people stuck in positions. But you just got to hold at the end of the day. And this is why I say I was watching Take One. We fixed the audio problem now. It was
Yeah.
my fault. I was
Nah, he
muting
did
him.
on purpose. He did on purpose. He told me.
I was muting him on purpose.
Try to
Nah.
cut me out, man.
Thanks, man. Um, well, let's make this entertaining. Yo, Johnson, you trade stocks. What do you think the stock is gonna? When do you think the market is gonna come back? You know, I said a month and a half. Kuro said
I
end of
said end of
April.
April, beginning of May, towards the summer. Definitely a comeback in the summer.
Mm. I wish it would just do it by the end of like we need some sort of catalyst for Neo or any other stock to gain momentum, and I need it to happen this month.
Oh, there's something going on Monday.
Is
I
something
don't know
going
if
on
you knew
Monday?
this. Yeah,
No. What?
Xpeng has earnings,
Okay. Okay.
so that could drive Neo a little bit.
No, it can
I
definitely.
think I think they will do well, to be honest, because they have their own factory, right? Am I right? Xpeng.
I don't know. I don't track Xpeng that good, but however, you make a valid point because last year in November, I think Xpeng went and showed their financials, and then the stock jumped up, right? And
Mhm.
Li Auto, Tesla, and Neo jumped up, and then Li Auto did their financials, and then all of them jumped up again the following week. It was like back to back to back jumps because all of them were doing their financials at the same time, and then Neo did the same thing, and then it jumped. It was like a
Yeah,
$10 jump over a course of like 2 weeks,
yeah, like a
and
piggyback.
yeah. So Neo's allergic to its own success. You get what I'm saying? So it might be like a nice catalyst if Xpeng has some good sales. If it happens. But I don't. I need the stock to get up to at least $49.
Listen, Neo is gonna get back to where it was at,
No, I
but
needed
as
to
far
do
as
it by this month. I
no,
needed to do it by this month.
sorry, nah.
So if it did it by this month, I would be so happy. I would be elated, you know. Um, but it's always don't trade with money that you're not willing to lose.
Listen, those contracts is burning me too. I'm in them same contracts you in,
Hmm.
probably for Neo.
And you can't get out because it's like all
Yeah,
contracts right now are down by like 50% to 75%. All
yeah, I'm
contracts,
hurt.
no matter what you win. And I feel like one of those GameStop people. I'm playing Reddit. Don't attack me.
Yo, I mean, I'm kind of tired of that GameStop thing, man.
It
That
messed a lot
GameStop
of
thing
things
is
up.
really, yeah, it's really hurting me a lot.
Hmm. If
You know,
GameStop and AMC didn't happen, and I wish I would have bought the AMC though, but if it didn't happen, I think that CCIV would have gotten up to at least
it was on his
Ninety
way. It
dollars a
was on
share.
his way.
Hmm. Johnson said, "I'm more a long-term investor, but with this crazy news, it does keep fear in newbie investors. Be patient. Some people clean up when it's done. I mean, when it's down. I'm not a Robinhood or Webull yet. I hear you. I hear you. That goes back to our last conversation. What we said before. If you have a Robinhood account, even though they played us a couple of times, just hold it because out of in terms of the new age tech, Robinhood is just the best to me right now, especially for beginning traders. Webull is just it's just too complicated, and they make you pay for other stuff that Robinhood just doesn't make you pay for. So it's annoying, and I've lost a lot of money on Webull when I tried to transfer over. So I just told everybody If you have a Webull account and you got money in it right now, just buy stocks long term and keep it. If you want to day trade, just use Robinhood because they're more lenient with all their rules and so forth. You know?
I'm just saying, and if you have both brokerages, like as far as day trading, you could think of it as having 6 day trades. Like if your account is under 25,000, which
Mm,
some people are, like you get 3 day trades on Robinhood, and then you can have a few more on Webull
yeah,
if you decide to do that. But Webull, like he said, I would like to just hold that just for long-term stocks.
yeah,
And Robinhood for like partial, was it fractional shares and option trading,
yeah.
leap plays.
Freak leap plays.
Nah, I'm serious. That's the way to go, man.
uh, I hear you, I hear you. So this is getting in 10 minutes. We're gonna cut it short. We tried to do the first stream. We didn't have audio for that. My bad. But we're gonna end it. We thank all of y'all for your support. Once again,
Thank
we're
you.
gonna have a stock training tomorrow. I believe it's at 6 o'clock. Check the Discord. If you're not a part of the Discord, join the Discord. It's in the links below. And we're gonna also have a loan signing training tomorrow at 7. If you're in the Facebook group, the links for the Zoom call will be in the Facebook group. Anything you want to say, Curls?
No, just stay patient. Don't sell your shares. It'll all be back. So, just hold on tight.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Hold on. Don't give up. You can
Nah,
do it.
don't give up.
I believe in you. If I can go from 100K all the way down, you could go. You could go through it too.
I'll be sick, man. Damn, I'll be sick.
I was about to change my life. Ah!
He's almost there.
I was
Man, my
almost
portfolio
there.
is looking good in January, man. I'm telling
We
you.
were up, but we're gonna get back up. We're gonna get back up.
Yeah. I'm gonna get back even more.
Oh, John said, how long will you go live again? Every Friday, every Friday, every Friday, every Friday, every Friday at 7 p.m. We're gonna be going live. And
Yeah.
then our regular stock picks for the week will be every Monday. So yeah, and remember, all I preach is buying stocks under $20 and holding them. That's how I made 100K last year. That's how you can make 100K this year, especially with this downturn market right now. You can literally buy anything. All you got to do is look at what was the high and now what the low is. And that's it. And that's it. So go ahead, end it off, Curls, and I'll end it off with mine.
All right, guys. Invest today, earn tomorrow. All right, Rich, what's yours?
In order to be rich, you got to take action. You got to take action.